Hi, and thanks for clicking through to watch my Christmas special. For those of you new to my channel, my name is Andrew and I make videos around North Yorkshire. Today I'm visiting two locations, both with their own unique link to Christmas, and I'm starting here in Malton before heading out to the coast for a centuries old inspired event in Whitby. So first up, I'm here in Malton, Yorkshire's food capital. I'm going to take a walk around the Christmas market in a moment, but first, just around the corner up here, is Chancery Lane, and the building that was the inspiration behind Scrooge's counting house in Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol. The story here is that Dickens often visited Malton as he was close friends with Charles Smithson, a solicitor in the town, and this building used to be the Smithsons' family office. The family were told by Dickens that he used this building to model the counting house, and until a few years ago the building was used as a small museum dedicated to Charles Dickens and his connection to Malton. Dickens also said that the bells in A Christmas Carol were those of St Leonard's Church, down the road here on Church Hill. While I'm here, I'm going to have a wander around Malton's Christmas market. This is where the famous Malton Food Lovers Festival takes place, which is attended by tens of thousands of people each year in the summer. The Summer Festival is a 3-day family event and is one of the biggest and best festivals of its kind in the north of England. As always, the link for more info will be in the video description. It's quiet while I'm walking around at the moment, but it's only just gone 10 AM and the weather has been dreadful this morning. This place will be packed later today and will look amazing once it starts getting dark and you can see the lights around the marketplace. It's now time to jump back in the car before this rain starts for about an hour's drive over the North York Moors to Whitby for something very different.
All is bright round
I've had this video planned since the beginning of the year and always intended for this event to be the centrepiece. It's always held in December on the closest eve to St Nicholas's Day, and it's known as the Whitby Krampus Run, with the tagline, "Release the Beast." So, what is the Krampus Run? Or rather, who is Krampus? Depending on the source, there are some variations, as with most legends and folklore. Essentially though, Krampus is a half-goat, half-demon monster, and is a character from the Austrian region in Europe. It's likely it dates back hundreds, if not thousands of years. A beast is often how it's referred to, with his devil-like appearance and the belief that Krampus derived from a pagan supernatural who was assimilated to the Christian devil, and is thought to have been part of pagan rituals for the winter solstice. The common features of Krampus, which you'll see here, are the horns of a goat, cloven hooves, a long pointed tongue, fangs, and covered in hair, either black or brown. By the 17th century, Krampus had been incorporated into Christian winter celebrations by being paired with St Nicholas. Over the past few hundred years, there are more accounts of it being used this way, a kind of anti-Santa Claus who punishes misbehaving kids, and sometimes Krampus appears with a sack or basket strapped to his back, which is used to put the naughty kids in to cart them off. So instead of keeping your kids in check this Christmas by saying you'll tell Santa they've been naughty, tell them Krampus is on his way. Krampus Run events are already very popular in some countries, including Austria and Germany. And this one is the 7th year in Whitby and is a real crowd puller. Starting at the bandstand by the river, St Nicholas is going to lead a procession of his Krampus, wild beasts and other festive folklore characters up Khyber Pass to the Whalebones and Captain Cook's monument. Absolutely crazy, but absolutely brilliant. I wonder what he would have made of this. There's an after party at a venue up here on Westcliff tonight, and I imagine that will be some party. For me though, I'm calling it a day, and this is my last bit of filming for this year. In this video, I wanted to show a variety of things that happen in this area on the lead up to Christmas, and the 2 locations I visited did a great job of that. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, do give the video a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos in this area in the new year. Whatever you get up to over Christmas, have a good one and make the most of this time of the year with your family and friends. I'm now off home to get my feet up and enjoy a few beers. All the best to you and yours, and I'll see you again soon for the next one.